Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. M. Sivaraj, Professor, Department of Agriculture Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we discuss about the code number MX3089 Industrial Safety. This course, above course is a third year, sixth semester, mandatory course for Department of Agriculture Engineering. So before you discuss about the industrial safety, what are the objectives of the above course? So you will be discussing about the to understand and introduction about the basic terminologies of the safety and what are the important in regulation and standards and to how to conduct the participate the various safety activities in the industry and to have the knowledge about workplace exposure and hazards and risk assessment and also to techniques this about have the in techniques and what are the topic will be to include in the industrial safety the course. The unit 1 we discuss about the in safety terminologies. Unit 2 we discuss about the standard and the regulation. Unit 3 we discuss about the safety activities. Unit 4 we discuss about workplace health and safety. And unit 5 we discuss about the hazard identification and techniques. In below slides today we discuss about the only for unit 1 in first chapter only we discuss. So which book will be to follow for the above course? So Industrial Safety, Health and Environmental Management System by R.K. Jain, Kanna Publications. So first, before you go to the course chapter 1, first you discuss about the what is a industrial safety. So industrial safety is a measure or techniques implemented to reduce the risk or injury, loss and the danger to persons in property or the environment in any facility or place involving the manufacturing or in producing and processing of the goods in industries. Why is necessary the safety for the in industrial? So strict protocol can manage the workstation and mainly what is the reason to avoid the accident and the inhuman loss. That point of view will be you will be clearly to planning of in safety measure. That's why we discuss about the in industrial safety is very necessary. And what are the objectives already discussed? But in industrial safety point of view, in five, 4 point is there. So one will be to control the workstation danger zone and to implement the safety rules to clearly to follow. And third one is into analysis the risk factor. Fourth one is a cross check the tool functioning. And what are the importance of the in industrial safety? So the three things will be have first of all save up in productivity first thing, second thing to increase in the employee retention, and third one awareness of the working. The three things will be to have the in importance of in and in this above course. So you studied no that's point of view. What are the in industrial safety job will be to have? So first thing in you go after the course, no the safety officer, industrial hygiene manager, risk manager, health and safety manager, safety engineer, safety manager, environment and safety manager, safety consultant, coordinator of loss of control have the many opportunity have the in industry for in safety purpose. And what are the industrial safety tools? So fundamentally, first thing to protect your head, the head cap and hand gloves in fire, protector gloves and foot guard, safety shoe, face shield, eye protector glasses and earbuds. This is for the more necessary for to protect ourselves from the in industry hazards. What is a hazard? A hazard is any source of potential damage or harm or adverse health effect on the something or someone. What is a harm? Harm is a in physical injury or damage to the health. What is the different type of the in hazard is there? Physical hazard, safety hazard, chemical and dust hazard, work organization hazard, and ergonomic hazard. So, what is the reason the different type of hazard will be to created? So, hazards only for the cleaning the products. The ergonomic hazard only for the inside the industry for repetition and lifting. That point of view will be to generate for the ergonomic hazards. And physical hazards only to due to the noise pollution and the temperature and other thing, the radiation also there. That point of view to affect the human, no, that is known as the physical hazards. In work organization hazard only to due to the in stress point of view, and safety hazard to finding the slips and trips of the fall the faculty will be to hazard due to the equipment will be to forming, and biological hazard only to due to the insect and the vessels to created. This is also already discussed, but more explanation will be to have for the all the different type of hazard. Physical hazard already discussed. This is all factors are within the environment that can harm the body without necessarily touching it. This is point of what is the reason include radiation and high exposure, temperature, and the constant loud noise. That point of view only to create the in physical hazard. What is the safety hazard? Safety hazard. These are the most common and well will be in present the most workplace at one time or another. This is a repetition. They include unsafe condition that can be in injury or illness and the death. So this is one of the clearly will be to have for safety clause include will be the in working from the heights including ladder and the roofs and raised work areas, and in electrical hazard like as a frame cords and missing ground pins and improper wiring, and machine related hazard also in lock nut and tack nut or boiler safety, and that is known as will be the different type of safety hazard will be, and chemical and dust hazard. So, or present when the worker are exposed to any chemical preparation in the workplace, solid or liquid or gas point of view, some of the in safe than the others. So, but to some workers who are more sensitive to chemicals, even common solution can cause the illness in the skin irritation or breathing problem. So due to the in the liquids like as a cleaning products, paint or acid or something. In vapor and foams that coming with a welding or exposure solvents, and gases like the acetylene gas or propylene or gas carbon monoxide, helium, and also there. And flammable material, the gasoline, that point of view also there are different type of chemical and the dust gas will be generating. And workstation hazard. So this is not only due to the generation, the stressor that causes stress in short-term effect or strain. These are hazards associated with the workplace issues, with the workload or lack of in control and the respite. That point of view only workstation in organization hazard will be created. So what is the example in workload demand, workplace violence, intensity and flexibility, respite, control or say about things, social and support relation and sexual harassment. This is a different type of work organization hazard was created. And ergonomic hazard. This will be to only for the body position and working condition, but put strain on your body. So ergonomic hazard include improperly adjustment workstation and the chair, and frequently lifting and poor posture, and repeating the same movement over and over, and vibration. There is another different type of in ergonomic hazard will be created inside the industry. And what are the training program on the in the basic safety? So here under the in different type of slide in the inside the industry, so how to follow, so to prevent the in accident. Just to see the slide, you will be clearly to understand. The first thing will be every industry first you need for the in safety is first. So here already discussed. So how to protect, no, already this is known as the in head and then eye, and the in clauses for the in hand, and the food will be to protect it, everything different type of the in the nose also to protect from the in mask thing. So hazard occur from the workplace and environment, tool and equipment, and poor planning and designing and poor procedure. And this is not unsafe act and the unsafe condition. The diagram will be here for the safety. So this one also another diagram for the how to follow for the industry. So this one another diagram, and this one also another diagram will be to have. So everything will be clearly to follow for the rules and regulation. You will be to follow no, you will be to prevent the accident. So this one also another diagram, and this one also the wiring system also inside the home or in industry will be clearly to monitoring and to will be to have any damage no, immediately to rectify to prevent from the accident. So Cascade control. So this is another one of the historical Cascade control diagram is there. So this is for the least to in more effective. How the Cascade control will be there. So this is known as the diagram is in black diagram will be to have in physically will be to remove the Cascade is a in elimination is a major thing, and in only for last one will be to protect from the worker from the NBPB personal protective equipment, that is known as a majorly for the last thing. So this is known as a case control, and the site specific risk assessment will be to follow no. So you will be in future. So what are the different type of the Cascade will be to generating will be clearly to understand in point of view in future will be to rectify. First one will look for the Cascade in work around the workplace in the industry to consider the all sources in situation. So in environmental condition and will be could lead to injury, damage, and will affect health and negative impact on the environment. Will clearly identify. Second thing in exposure to Cascade, how often are people likely to encounter this Cascade? And preventive measures. So prevention is very important to the thing. They prevent access to the Cascade in guarding and keeping doors and locked. Organization work to reduce the exposure to the in Cascade. And finally, to implement the train and the training staff in the safe procedures. So continuously, you will be to monitoring the Cascade. No, you will be to prevent the accident. And second thing, this slide we discuss about the toolbox in talk place should be in free from the end danger. That is a more important. And give everyone to chance to talk. So you discuss no that point of view, you gather the more point. So in the industry to prevent the accident. And everyone can see and they hear you. That point of view conduct the any program. And this is also one diagram will be there. So how to why the personal protective equipment in the PPE will be to follow. So let us discuss. You will see the diagram. So here also more diagram is there. That's you clearly to understand. Just see this is for the due to the Indian industry. So you will be work for the in above the more height no. So you will be to protect from the head. This is for the in head protection. So you know for the clearly to understand from the this diagram. This one is a in eye protection. So why will be to need? So will be clearly to understand. You will be to wear the glass. This is must to the wear the glass. No, you will be to protect from the your eyes. And this is one the food protection. So this also to need. So you will be to wear the shoe no. So without wear no, what are the instant will be to already attain. You will be clearly to understand from the this slide. And this is another head protection also there before or you will be to wear clothes no, you will be protected from the any accident without wear no, what are the instant will be to already happen. You clearly to understand from the this slide. And next one hearing protection also. Same thing will be here. What are different type of equipment will be protect from the your hearing. That you due to the only for the noise problem, only that point of view hazard will be generating. Next one, what is the in wrong competition in the inside industry? So just to see the diagram, you clearly to understand. Here will be working inside the industry. Many people is working, but how to follow the safety? First of all, you will work for the safety. That point of view, this will know, and not only the people will be moving here and there. The safety is not considered. That point of view, the more action will be to done. So what are the causes of accident? So only first thing the lack of the supervision and basic causes and sudden causes. So what is the reason basic causes? Lack of supervision. It will be to not supervisor will be not alerted, not monitor properly monitor. No, that point of view only many action will be to done. So this is a basic causes only personal factor and the job factor. That point of view, the basic cause will be generating. Sudden causes will be unsafe act and the in unsafe condition. That point of view, sudden cause will be created.